The OnePlus Nord 4, also known as the OnePlus Ace 3V in the Chinese market, has had its real-life images leaked, revealing design changes and almost all internal upgrades. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. But if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so to stay updated with future videos. The number 4 is considered unlucky in China, so instead of OnePlus 4, we saw OnePlus 5 in their flagship phones. It's unclear whether this phone will be called Nord 4 or Nord 5, but to avoid confusion, I'll refer to it as Nord 4 in this video. Live images of the OnePlus Nord 4 have been leaked, so let's start with the design. From the picture, we can see that the alert slider button has been moved from the right side to the left, while all other buttons remain on the right side. The phone has a large display and thin bezels. The back of the phone resembles the Nord CE4, which is set to be released on April 1st. The front of the phone features a flat display with a 16-megapixel punch-hole selfie shooter. Regarding internal specs, the phone is equipped with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, which recently appeared on the Geekbench platform. It achieved high scores in both single-core and multi-core benchmarks. Additionally, it's rumored to include AI features powered by Oppo's AIGC and Andy's GPT models. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, based on the architecture of the 8 Gen 3, is capable of handling AI tasks efficiently. The phone is expected to sport a 1.5K display. With a 120Hz refresh rate, the device will also have an in-display optical fingerprint scanner. It will come pre-installed with Android 14 and offer 100 watts wired charging. On the back, there's a camera layout with 3 cameras, possibly accompanied by a flash. The main camera is rumored to be 50 megapixels, while details about the second camera are still unknown. I'll reveal more details as soon as updates are available, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts in the comments section. The OnePlus Nord CE4 is also set to be released on April 1st, and you can find all the details here. See you in the next video. This is Techtics signing off.